NationLearns.com is a 5-year-old company and NL Partner, India's largest and best quality lead provider app for all financial products like insurance, loans, tax, CA, real estate and mutual funds. Powered by NationLearns.com, located at the heart of city, giving financial advice to over 4,000 people on call every day.
Hello, thank you for tuning in. You must be wondering, how does NL Partner app generate such high quality leads? Well, I'm going to explain you how we generate such high quality leads in next 5 minutes. Well, first of all, what we need to understand is that in India, people don't want to buy financial products not because they are not interested, but because they feel scared of losing their hard-earned money, as they have zero knowledge on how any financial product works. So it's very important that we educate the customer instead of just pushing the product to them. After doing a lot of research and understanding the people's pulse, we created a platform called NationLearns.com, which is India's best and on-phone free financial advisor. Our website NationLearns.com is the most creative, user-friendly and self-usable website which has over 6,000 financial articles for people to read through. Over 500 frequently asked question and answers, which helps us drive high quality leads. That is just one step. And our second step is aggressive and strong digital marketing. We create the most interactive and educative content and then put that in the form of images and text, and then invest a lot of money and promote it on various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and many more. Our great team of digital marketing works very hard in making sure that this content is published on social media and the campaigns are run in a right way, targeting the right set of people, which brings a lot of traffic to our website and also helps us generate very high quality leads. Here are a few high quality contents that we have created and got immense response.
क्या अपने आप को होशियार समझते हैं? तो मेरे सवालों का जवाब देना। ये रहे दो लोग, प्रिया और नेहा। प्रिया महीने 50,000 रुपये कमाती है और नेहा 45,000। अगले 5 साल में कौन बनेगा अमीर, प्रिया या नेहा?
What is life insurance? Do I really need a life insurance? And how does it work? Which one to choose? At Nation Learns, we answer all your questions about life insurance. So first benefit is promotes healthy living. Having a health insurance doesn't mean you neglect your health. It just means you will take better care of your health. So second benefit is health insurance का मतलब आपको कोई बीमारी या चोट आ जाती है तो आप हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हो जाते हो, तो आपकी पूरी मेडिकल बिल बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है। अगर आप हेल्थ
കുറച്ചധികം പണം നേടാൻ നിങ്ങൾ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായും ആരാണ് ഇത് ആഗ്രഹിക്കാത്തത്? ഇൻഷുറൻസ് ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങളുടെ സമ്പത്ത് വർദ്ധിക്കാൻ പോലും കഴിയുന്നതാണ്. അടുത്തത് മാർക്കറ്റുകൾ. മാർക്കറ്റുകളിൽ ആദ്യത്തേത്
with life insurance policy known as death benefit to beneficiaries upon the insured's death. So
अल्लाह है, राम है, लेकिन पैसा महान।
मगर हम आपको सलाह देते हैं कि आपका पैसा सही जगह पर इन्वेस्ट हो। आपको
And our digital marketing team also works on Google. Google, as you know, is the only platform where people go and search for any financial questions. So our SEO is very strong and we have over 100 keywords through which customers visit our website and start looking into articles and start asking us questions, through which we again generate very good quality leads. Apart from which, we do email marketing. We sent out various educative emails to over 4 lakh customers every single day. 30% of our website traffic comes from video marketing. We make creative and full of content videos in all different languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, English, Hindi, and we upload them on YouTube and also TikTok. In these videos, we explain to the customers the importance of that particular product, how does it work, what are the do's and don'ts, and do they really need that. After watching and understanding the videos, customers again reach out to us through our toll-free number or on our website. We have also initiated a program called Corporate Financial Advising, wherein we go to the companies and conduct free seminars to all their employees as to how to manage their finances and what financial products they must invest in, and how do they go ahead and take loans if they require any, and how do they manage their financials and do their own financial planning, through which we make them download our Nation Learns Money app, which is also a huge contributor towards building such high quality leads. Not only this, with your support, we are also planning to start our own newsletter of financial education, print magazines, write columns in newspapers, and much more. By doing all this activity and the collective hard work of our team, we today advise over 4,000 people on the phone every single day. Once these customers come to us, we then assign it to our advising team. Our team talks to these customers, understands their requirement. With the help of our automated CRM, they make the customer profile and then analyze what products should be advised to him. Once they have given the entire advice, the customer is now ready with a decision because he has more knowledge than what he had before. And if the customer's decision is yes, he wants to buy any financial product, then we take his consent to pass on his details to associates like you. Once the customer gives us the consent, that information is updated as a lead and sent to our quality team. Now, our quality team listens and analyzes to the call and makes sure that the customer is really interested and all his information and his requirement information is correctly updated in the system, so when the lead reaches out to you, it is in good quality. You'll be surprised to know that if we get 4,000 customers a day, in which we are only able to generate around 600 to 700 leads. Rest all are filtered for various reasons. They might not be giving us the consent to pass on their details to you, or they might just need advice and never wanted to buy the product. If not, they don't have any immediate requirement and they would like to discuss it with their friends and family before buying that particular product. So you can be rest assured that our team is working really hard to make sure that the best leads are given to you. Out of all these filtrations, we also have to value our relationship, and the only proof for that is replacement of leads. If a customer does not buy your product under various reasons, we don't want you to go through loss. Hence, we make sure that we provide you replacement of that lead and give you a new lead so that you can call that customer and try to sell your product. I hope that you have understood the entire process of how we generate such high quality leads, and I also know that you are appreciating our efforts. So if you are already subscribed with us and have any questions, please call us on the below number, or you are yet to subscribe with us. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and we can value our relationship and have a mutually benefiting relationship with each other. Thank you so much.